Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because the Witch's Moon sent me their Witch's Roots box. I love their products, guys, and their amazing subscription boxes. So without further ado, let's unbox this baby, and you can find them in the description box down below. It smells so good, guys. When I opened the clear plastic wrap that they have over this, so people don't know it's a magical box that you're getting, guys, you can just smell the box. It smells so refreshing, cleansing, and purifying. Ooh, I wonder if this is about the mum flower. It looks like it's about Inshakura pruma. Can't really pronounce it. It's the botanical name of the plant, but there's a really beautiful Plant Book of Shadows artwork. I gotta show you guys an amazing close-up of this flower. It looks like magical properties. It's in Hydra, helps to cleanse, purify negative thought formed to unhelpful programming, providing inner strength during trying times. So, ooh, this is a beautiful flower, guys, and we got the little info card. Let's see what this month's theme is for the Roots box. I'm so excited. I love these boxes so much. Ritual potency. So this is the vibe of this month's box. Let's see what's in this baby. We've got some tissue paper and all the amazing... We got tissue paper and all the amazing little blue fuzz in there to protect everything. Ooh, we got a ritual oil, a spraying ritual oil, guys. I'm so excited. I love the one from one of their moon boxes that was like a lunar vibe. It smelled so good. I wonder if this is what I was smelling. It was like such a refreshing scent in this box, guys. Ooh, they package it so good in the bubble wrap and everything, so nothing's gonna break on you. Let's open this baby up. Can totally use some of this, guys. It's a Serenity Aura Spray. Ooh, I love their other Aura Spray that they had. Ooh, this one smells like relaxing, guys, like very peaceful. I don't know, the other one just felt like magical when you sprayed it and felt relaxing. Definitely had more of a lunar feminine vibe. And this one has more of like a green man kind of vibe. It smells good, guys. I actually really like this one, the Serenity Oil. It's an aura spray, so the Serenity Aura Spray is pretty awesome, guys. I love it. So for the Serenity Ritual Aura Spray, guys, they said they have created this magical elixir with the intention of forming a calm and knowing energy suitable for times of need, focus, and clarity. As we work to create the setting in which we perform spells and meditations, we work on maintaining a soothing and sure mindset. As you lightly spray your Serenity Ritual Aura Spray around your energetic body, visualizing your worries and anxieties easily flowing away. As if unbothered, allow your aura to be filled with energy of stillness and tranquility. This spray is a great tool to use during pre-ritual preparation. We have enhanced this magical aura spray with white tea, ylang ylang, lavender, and ginger oils. We have also included a special mixture of our stillness magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery into the making of this aura spray. Lightly mist at least 2 feet away from the body, external use only. I love it, guys. It's amazing. It has Green Man, Mother Earth vibes, and it's totally peaceful, calming, and relaxing. I love it so much, guys. So let's see what is else inside of this baby. Over here, there's a little blue pouch in here. What can this be? Ooh, I'm not sure what this is, guys. Is this the crystal that starts with a G? It's like Garanite or something. That's like the dragon stone. That's what it totally looks like to me. This one's a pretty one. Oh, it's Monocyte, but for some reason mine has more of a green hue to it, so it looks like a different crystal. Monocyte Bracelet. To aid in adding potency to your rituals, we have included a beautiful Monocyte Bracelet. As you connect with the energy of Monocyte, speak aloud your intentions. Monocyte will powerfully enhance your ability to bring these affirmations into physical realm. This is neat, guys, because I do have some crystals and I got a little collection going, but I don't have this stone either, so I'm so happy to have it. It's such a beautiful bracelet, and you get the different hues of white to a little bit of aqua blue to green, and I just love it. Once again, guys, honestly, when you do get some orders from online shops, you get your crystal, you're like, oh, I need to cleanse it really bad, but their stuff, they do some really powerful intention and magic work, guys. My crystal doesn't even need cleansing, even though I'm still gonna cleanse it. The vibes are beautiful and divine with their crystals. They really take care of them and do their job right. So that is about the Monocyte Bracelet, guys. Let's see what else is in here. I'm so loving this box. Looks like this one is Ilacinda. Let's see. There's a beautiful herb, can't wait to use this in some magic. Hydra has always had a designated spot in our witch's cabinet, heavily relied upon during times of hyper-focus intention setting. As stated within the Hydra Herbal Grimoire artwork, carrying in Hydra helps to cleanse impurities, negative thought patterns, or unhelpful programming, providing inner strength during trying times. Added to herbal potions and incense in Hydra increases the effectiveness of magical workings and serves as a useful elixir for spell work that has had stagnated. Ground around or near the home, and Hydra protects the family from poverty, while fresh flowers in the home draw on prosperity and good luck. Many peoples of North America plains consider it in Hydra to be the premier herbal remedy, which has usually reserved as an offering to the tutelary spirits of the land, also a wonderful form of gratitude offering. And Hydra can be placed among altars adorning goddesses in favor of recognition. Put some of this around goddess necks. A commonly known herb of healing, and Hydra has been recognized by many cultures for its ability to bring speediness to recovery. As you become comfortable with an Hydra herb, allow its energy to bring you strength and stamina so that you may push your intentions into healthy manifestations. As with working with any herb, we recommend taking your time as you experiment with the uses of each of these herbs from a very personal opinion for yourself. How you connect with each herb may be different than others. We urge you to stay honest to your intentions and psychic perceptions. Affirmation: I carry with me the ability to push through troubled times, working with the divine to positively change the energy around me. Planetary connection: Mars and Venus. Elemental connection: fire and water. Metaphysical properties: ritual potency, cleansing. Ooh, this is a beautiful herb, guys. This flower, I've totally heard of it before. Ooh, I've totally smelt this before too, guys. In the Chinese herbal shops when my grandparents used to go when I was little, I've smelt this herb before. So it's an Hydra flower. It smells so beautiful, and when I do take a whiff of this in, I do feel cleansed and like purified, like a very quick cleanse. I love this, guys. And I love reading to you guys about the herbs, because you need different herbs and stuff to create your potions and your elixirs and all that stuff to go ahead and clear away evil and just do your magic. So, ooh, looks like there's a little pouch and some incense. I want to smell this incense, guys. Oh, this is what I was smelling. Oh my god. This smells so good, guys. I love it. There's a little bee by my camera. This smells so refreshing and like purifying. I just honestly love the Witch's Moon's incense, guys. It's so beautiful, and this blue pouch is totally my vibe. I love it so much. What is in here? I get my first coin from them, guys. I've always wanted one. Spiritual evolution. With the spiraling line of mystery, I seek to evolve my soul to be clear and free by those who come before and come after me, creating a world of pure harmony, so mote it be. Oh, this is so cool, guys. So let's see what this coin means. Spiritual Evolution Spell Charm. We have included the Spiritual Evolution Spell Charm for you to place among your altar or carry with you during times of difficulty and distress. With the spiraling line of mystery, I seek to evolve my soul to be clear and free by those who come before and after me, creating a world of peace and harmony. Christopher Pinzark is the name of the person who created that beautiful affirmation spell. This is beautiful. I'll be carrying it with me a lot. I love it. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. This is so beautiful. I've always wanted one, so I got one of those. And it looks like there is this candle. Ooh, and it looks like there's a piece of Palo Santo. This is kind of perfect, guys. I'm gonna visit a friend today, and I'm gonna totally have to help them cleanse their home, so this is kind of perfect. Out of all days, I could have got this stuff. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a little like greenish teal candle with the Palo Santo stick. Like, this is really cute packaging, guys. I just love the smell of Palo Santo, guys. Over sage, I love Palo Santo because it smells less heavy, and it's just a beautiful, purifying Native American like vibe scent. Totally connects me to my past lives being Native American and all that good stuff. It just smells really good. I love cleansing with sage, and this beautiful spell candle, guys. I don't have a candle this color, so I can't wait to work with the magic of this. It looks like it says about the Palo Santo incense stick. As you allow the smoke from your Palo Santo incense to waft through your surroundings, allow its sacred energy to reassure your spirit. Know that the sacred time is created through your strength and intention. And a little bit about the spell candle. Movement spell candle with Palo Santo stick. We have hand rolled the spell candle with the intention of breaking apart emotional stagnation. As you light your Palo Santo stick, allow the smoke to cleanse and sanctify the energy around you. Therefore, allow the flame from this movement candle to dance through your spirit. Meditate on your intentional compass, giving yourself permission to let go of stagnant emotions. Connect with this very personal and sacred moment, for these are the building blocks of pure creation and manifestation. The affirmation is, I break free from stagnant energies, allowing myself to move unbothered and buoyant through my energetic workings, so mote it be. Oh, I love this, guys. I'm totally gonna have to do this ritual because I can totally use with what all of this stuff says. And that is pretty much everything in this box, guys, besides the incense sticks that I showed you. I just love their Witch's Roots box so much, guys. Go ahead and check them out in the description box down below. I believe this one is around $35 for the US, and honestly, guys, you do get a really good value's worth. And oh, my plant just fell right now. You get a really good value's worth of everything, and it's so beautiful. They give you a book of shadows artwork, your herbs. I just love this box because it's so fun to get these herbs and experiment and make your magical potions and your oils, elixirs, and all that good stuff. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and turn on those post notifications down below. And like always, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be.